Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Incognito. Today, to celebrate the fall and this cool weather we've been having, I'm going to be making a crockpot chili dish with pumpkin cornbread on top. So if you're hungry, then stick around. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, I did put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan, and I saved myself some trouble by buying pre-cut veggies. I have tri-pepper. It is red, green, and yellow, and I also bought pre-cut onions as well. Yes, this is a save you some trouble and time channel, so if you want to chop them up, be my guest. I'm going to go ahead and saute these veggies for about 6 minutes, and then after that we're going to add in some minced garlic and saute it for about another 2 minutes. We don't want our minced garlic to be in too soon because then it can burn, and we don't want burnt minced garlic. Yuck. So go ahead and saute up your vegetables, and we're going to go to the next step. All right, now these veggies are looking nice and sauteed. We're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic, and we're going to go ahead and cook this for about another 2 minutes to get all the flavors blended together. All right, now we're going to move on to seasoning our veggies. You're not going to see any meat in this video because this is going to be a veggie chili. So go ahead and add in your whole pack of chili seasoning. All right, next up, we're going to add in some smoked paprika to give it like a smoky flavor. We're going to add in some cumin, and I'll be sure to put all the measurements in the description below. We're going to add in just a little bit of cayenne, not too much. We're going to add in some garlic powder, love garlic, and we're going to add in some onion powder. And a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. After adding all your spices, we're going to go ahead and blend up everything with our peppers. All right, we're going to put our veggies to the side and start working on loading up our crock pot with these yummy beans and our tomatoes. So we're going to put in a can of black beans. We're going to put in a can of chili kidney beans. We're going to put in a can of white beans. Next, we're going to add in some maple flavored pork and beans. I did get a small can. And we're going to add in a can of rotel tomatoes with the chiles in them. And next up, we're going to add in our veggies that we sauteed. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to give it that nice, yummy sweetness. Now we're going to blend up our ingredients to get all that brown sugar goodness all in our veggies. We're going to go ahead and put the top on this crock pot and let our yummy flavors blend together for about an hour and a half on high. For our cornbread mixture, while our veggies are cooking and marinating together, I'm using just a box Jiffy cornbread mix. I did get the flavor that has honey in it already. I am using some almond milk for this batter. It is Simply brand and it's unsweetened, so give it a try. I like it, and I'm not a milk drinker. Now for the star of the show, we're going to add in our pumpkin puree. I'm going to add in about a cup. Depending on how much batter that you make for your cornbread, depends on how much pumpkin puree you put in. So if you do like 2 boxes of cornbread, then maybe about 1.5 cups of your pumpkin puree, or you can do 2 cups if you're a pumpkin lover. Be sure to add in some pumpkin spice seasoning. 'Tis the season for pumpkin. Guys, look at that color. Isn't it just beautiful? It screams fall when you are blending up this batter. Yes, it is. If you're a fall lover like me, then you're probably just so excited right now as you're blending up your batter. Now check on our chili. It is bubbling. That means it is time to add in our cornbread mixture to this yummy pot. Go ahead and stir up your veggies to get those juices blended together well, and then we're going to go ahead and start adding on our cornbread mixture. Now I'm just pouring on my mixture using a large spoon. Feel free to just pour it on top however you like, as long as you cover the top of your chili and there's no chili showing whatsoever. We're going to continue to cook for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And we're all done. This beautiful orange color is just everything fall, guys. And this meal was so delicious and filling. And it has really good flavors blended together with the pumpkin cornbread as well as the chili seasonings. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos. Bye!